All right, let's go ahead and look at some more host information. This time we are going to PCAP 33. So I'm going to go to open and then PCAP 33. Now we can see we have a lot of information here. And we have NBNS traffic, DHCP traffic. Here's that NBNS traffic I was talking about. So let's go and click on our basic filter right here. Okay. And then we're going to go all the way to our host. And we're going to click on the very first entry for historyarch.com. And we can see it is in fact a GET request. We're going to click on that. And I like just to use the entry here because it just gives us a longer landing area. We can see the host is historyarch.com, and we can go to analyze, and then we can go to follow. Okay, and then we can go to follow TCP stream. Okay, and we can go to the user agent right here. So this is Windows NT 6.1. So the reason why I wanted to go through this is because we have NT 6.1. So prior to Windows NT 10, which would imply Windows 10, we can actually look at a list right here, and we can see that Windows 6.1 refers to Windows 7. Okay, so we have Windows 7 as the OS of the client machine. Okay, now we can see that it is the x64 version of Windows NT 6.1, which is Windows 7. So, as you know, there was a very popular, as you may not know, because Windows 7 is so long ago, it seems like, there were two popular editions of Windows 7, 32-bit and 64-bit. So this is just showing you this is, in fact, the 64-bit version. Okay, now if we move down here, and I'm not sure why this isn't also moving. Let me move this down. We can see that this person is using a Chrome OS, and here it is using the Safari version 537.36. Okay. Now let's take a look at something else here, the next one. And let me shrink this. And you know what? I accidentally killed the Wireshark right there. Let me bring up another file. Let's open. And this time we're going to open up PCAP 34 capture. Okay. And we're going to look at the very, very first frame. And let me, that's this DHCP request. Okay, let's take a look at the MAC address. So we could see that the MAC address is LG Electronics in the MAC. Okay, let's see. Let's take a look at the DHCP protocol right here. And we have the client MAC address right here again. Okay, server host name is not given. Okay, let's take a look at the client identifier. And again, we see it is LG Electronic. Okay, let's see, host name is Android 267A86C. Okay, so this person is using either an Android phone or it's using an Android tablet. Okay, So that's just some host information that you can acquire just from a basic Wireshark filtered search.